Hi folks, and welcome to another episode of Rick Simon Fishing Adventures. Well, it's at the end of the year. It's December. As Wayne and I refer to it, the worst time of year. While most people are looking forward to Christmas, Wayne and I are just complaining that there's no ice on the lakes and there's still open water, which makes it very difficult to fish. However, we tried our best in this episode. We went out in late Thanksgiving and did some fishing, and we'll show you some of that footage. But during this time of year, when fishing slows down a little bit before ice fishing, we concentrate on other adventures too. We're an outdoor channel, so we're always doing things in the outdoors. So this episode is going to have a little something of everything, from a hawk eating its prey to all kinds of different species of birds to Chick-fil-A to all kinds of things. It's kind of an inclusive adventure. So hope you enjoy this episode, folks, and we'll talk to you at the end of the show. Got one down there, folks. I don't know what he's got. Looks like a nice fish, though. Alright, I think we got one here, folks. Let's see here. I think it's a bass. Yeah. Nice smallmouth. Alright. Look how brown he is. Put that down. Alright. Ooh, good one. It's a smallmouth. There we go, folks. First one of the day. Nice brown smallmouth. Pop him off the hook here. Not too bad, we'll take him. This little river fish. Show him off for you guys. It's cold out here, buddy. Let's see how big he is. Let's see here. He's about 15. Not too bad. Alright. Alright, buddy, it's cold out here, so we're gonna let you back now. Okay. There you go. You guys can stay, you don't have to go. They're fighting each other. Well, there's tons of them.
Because Thanksgiving's next week.
Yeah, but these are wild turkeys, honey. These aren't on a farm or anything. Quite a few of them. Wow. Well, we were in the business of having you for Thanksgiving. We wouldn't have to go shopping for quite a while. We could have put them all in the freezer and we could sell you guys, but we're not going to do that because we like turkeys. Get us very majestic.
Are we going to post this?
Maybe in future episodes, Nico. We'll have to see. I might have to have you edit it a little bit. Oh, there's a gray one over there too. Look. This guy's got a lot of. Look at all the stuff. He's eating, like, oh, he's making. I think he's making a nest. Yeah, oh, there's another one over there, Wayne. Look, he's chasing that gray one. Is. Can you get those ones?
They're gonna eat each other.
Yeah, they're like fighting over that tree right now.
And an eastern gray squirrel here. And these black squirrels, folks, are eastern gray squirrels. It's just a different type of genetic mutation on them. But let's see. I see a few of the black ones down there. I'm gonna Where'd this guy go? Oh, there you are. See a few of the black ones down there. I'm gonna see if I can get another one. There's another one here, folks. This guy's a big one. Big black squirrel. Almost looks like a black cat up in the tree there. What? See what he... So folks, you'll notice this red-bellied woodpecker. You may remember him from the last episode. But here he is clinging to the side of the feeder rather than perching on it. This is very common for woodpeckers, especially this red-bellied one. You'll notice him throughout the episode. He prefers to come to the feeder like this rather than perch. So the northern flicker is actually a type of woodpecker, folks, and this woodpecker, like other woodpeckers, likes suet. So we had the suet balls in the tray, as well as the dried mealworms, and that particularly enticed him. So check it out, folks. I just put these woodpecker suet nuggets out here. I got these at a store up near my son's college yesterday, up in Amherst. It was a co-op store. Got a bunch of birdseed and stuff up there, so pretty cool.
Maybe he can shield some.
Your favorite place?
Yeah.
Hello. Look, Chase. Say hi.
Hi, we like chicken.
Yeah. Well, you can go through. Sure. Chase, get up for 1 second. Let's get a picture of us. Is that okay with you? Oh, good. Okay. Come on, Chase. Get up real quick.
But But you have to follow those rules so the computer. You're not allowed to tag
All right, well, tell the audience what birds we saw today.
I saw geese balls.
Yeah.
today.
Geese
Goes
birds.
back to school tomorrow, right?
Yep. All right. So you saw some Canadian geese here, folks. So we just like to get Chase out and doing some outdoor activities and, you know, try to let him know about different things in nature. I didn't know he knew what the geese were. He just came out and said, hey, they're geese. So he's really learning a lot about the birds. So folks, this is a juvenile red-tailed hawk, and he's eating some type of carcass. I believe it's a mouse in the backyard the other day, so I was able to capture this footage of him. He's a beautiful bird. As you can see here, folks, my son Chase is now getting into bird watching quite a bit. He's helping me feed the birds, and afterwards we went in and watched to see what type of birds showed up after we fed them. Hey, there's a big bird over here, look.
Yeah.
What is it?
Benim hatta Noel's anonsunu pozu kakulu kolaylı hüküsü.
Ooh, that's a big gull. Here, come here and look at it. Come here and look at it.
Be on the west side of Indianapolis.
See the seagull over there?
Yes. Okay.
So folks, there are 4 of these statues in the state of Rhode Island. This person, I'll put a link to this in the description, but if you go through Rhode Island, this gentleman has built these statues of trolls throughout the state, and they're using recycled material like driftwood and old wood and that type of thing to make this beautiful statue here. So thought we'd bring the kids down here, check it out. All right, what's this? Is that the troll? Go in front of it. Let's see.
Yeah, look like the gun for your children over the school, right? That's the troll.
Alright, Wayne and Chase, can you guys sit on it? And take a picture? This is our Christmas card photo this year. Alright, Chase, over here by him. He's so cool looking, isn't it?
A lot of talent to make that thing.
There's a birdhouse on him. See it?
So some type of species of duck that goes underneath the water. I'm gonna have to look them up. If anybody knows, leave a comment, but I'll leave it in the view here. Oh, there's a couple of them. See, they're going under the water for fish. Chase is getting a little cold, so he's going to go back to the car real quick. All right, let's go back to the car. All right.
Folks, my son Wayne is actually an expert on loons. He has studied them much more extensively than I have. I actually thought this was a goosander. So I'm going to actually turn it over to Wayne and let the expert talk about it here.
So folks, here we have the common loon. Actually, this is a very common bird in New England, a very common water bird. Those of you that know anything about loons know that during the summer months, they don't normally look like this. This one, as you can see, is sporting his winter plumage. They don't have as much color and they look a little bit different. As you can see, he's looking in the water to go after fish. These guys will actually dive down and go after prey. They're a very interesting species. They actually spend about 99% of their lives in the water. Loons are found throughout almost all of North America, particularly in Canada. In New England, however, during the summer months, we'll see them quite extensively in New Hampshire, Maine, and parts of the Adirondacks in New York. It's a really interesting bird. You may know that during the summer months, they make some really interesting calls as well. As I said, during the winter, they move to salt water because they spend their entire lives floating. So they can't float on ice, so they come to the salt water. So it was a really neat bird. I was super happy to see some. There was actually a group of loons in this estuary, but really cool.
Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed that episode of Rick Simon Fishing Adventures. It certainly was a diverse episode. I wanted to post this episode just to touch base with everyone. You could see what we've been doing the last few months. As you know, I've been traveling a lot for my new job, if you watch the Germany episode. So I haven't really done too much fishing, but that's starting to slow down now. Wayne's going to be coming home from school, and we're really going to be focusing on doing ice fishing. The weather here, as you can tell, is turning cold, but we're going to head up north a lot this winter and do a lot of ice fishing up there. Also, in 2026, we're going to be more geared towards adventures. We're going to be going on more trips, fishing for different species. We're still going to have your bass videos where we fish the local ponds and catch epic bass, but we're going to do a lot more traveling and fishing for fish that we haven't caught before. Why? Because it's fun and because it's good viewing enjoyment for our audiences. So, hope you enjoy this episode, folks. We really appreciate your support throughout 2025 and look forward to an outstanding 2026 on Rick Simon Fishing Adventures. Have a great day and we'll talk to you soon.